Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your XML sitemaps to WordPress automatically step by step clearly. Start by logging into your WordPress admin dashboard. Navigate to the Plugins section on the left side menu. Click on Add New to search for new plugins. In the search bar, type Google XML Sitemaps. Locate the plugin type. Click on the Install Now button next to the plugin. Once the installation is complete, click on the Activate button. After activation, you'll see a new menu item labeled XML Sitemap on the left. Click on XML Sitemap to access the plugin settings. The plugin will automatically generate a sitemap for your website. Take note of the URL provided for your XML sitemap, usually something like yourdomain.com/sitemap.xml. Next, open a new tab and log in to your Google Search Console account. Select the website property you want to submit the sitemap for. In the left sidebar, click on Sitemaps. In the Add a New Sitemap section, paste the URL of your XML sitemap. Click on the Submit button to send your sitemap to Google. Return to the WordPress admin dashboard. To enable automatic updates, go back to the XML sitemap settings page. Verify that the option for automatic sitemap generation is enabled. You can also configure additional settings such as sitemap frequency and priority. After making any necessary adjustments, save the changes at the bottom of the page. Your XML sitemap is now connected and will update automatically whenever you publish new content. Monitor your Google Search Console for any errors or issues with your submitted sitemap. Finally, periodically revisit your settings to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.